I am walking to Safeway again. By the way, good afternoon. And again, thanks for watching the vlogs, and let's see how today goes. I don't know why I'm back, but I'm craving something and I don't have it at home. So I'm just gonna go aisle to aisle and see what I can get. Forgot to get a basket. I'm craving soup, but I don't know what kind of soup I want. There's so many different choices. This is all Campbell's. And then also more Campbell's Chunky. Campbell's Homestyle I haven't heard of. Must be new. Oh, it is new. Pacific, Progresso, and it goes on and on. My goodness. Might try just the basic Campbell's. So we'll see. So decided not to get the soup. Because I remember last time I got soup, I didn't eat it and then it was expired. So we'll see. Alright, I think I got everything that I need. If it's if I'm 50-50, I'm not gonna get it. So just trying to be smart with my money. So I'm home. I took a long nap after Safeway and Subway. I ate my Subway footlong sandwich once I got home, and then food coma hit and I passed out on the couch, and Tony slept with me on my side, and then I woke up a couple minutes ago, and it's pretty late, so I'm gonna try to edit this vlog and get it uploaded soon. I'm gonna get ready to go back to sleep. And Tony's playing on his treehouse. Oh, he got a little scared. So I might just play with the cat for a little bit, trying to get him to tire himself out so he could sleep as well. But yeah. Oh, by the way, my tooth, the same tooth that I'm having issues with a couple months ago, the pain is back. So I'm trying to take some painkillers for it, but I might have to get another prescription for it because I only have 2 capsules left. So I'm gonna take that. I already took one, and hopefully the infection's gonna disappear soon because it hurts. Oh, it looks like Tony's gonna go to the bathroom. Yep. He's smelling, getting ready to either go. Oh, no, he's not. Thought he was. Nope. I guess he's not. Okay. Oh, he got hungry? Yeah, he's playing with his food. If you have a cat and loves to play with the food, let me know, because this is my first time witnessing it. Oh, it's my first time owning a cat, but he loves playing with his food. He would just take a paw, take one out, and just play with it, or spill a couple. But is that how cats normally do it? Like, do they have fun doing that? But most of the time he'll eat like that. Cats are very fascinating. Today's Thursday. Oh, and if you guys love these bowls, I could put a link in the description. I got it on Amazon, and they're fairly inexpensive, and they're slightly raised. Oh, look at this. See? He loves playing with the food. But these bowls are nice because they are raised, so the cat doesn't have to go
all the way down to 8. As you can see, I like it. And I think Tony approves, even though he loves to. Really, Tony? Really? All the foodie. Oh, jeez. I think this is a perfect time to end the vlog. So, again, sorry for the short vlogs, guys. But I am gonna get ready for bed. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.